treat yourself to a test drive in the 2010 Jeep Wrangler. This two-door, four-passenger convertible still has less than 120,000 kilometers. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including a tachometer, front fog lights, skid plates, and one-touch window functionality. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.